Hello everyone, welcome to EduTap. As we know that we are expecting IRDI grade A notification to be announced soon, and once the notification will be announced, we all know that you will be solely dedicated towards phase 1 only. But till the time notification is announced, it is advisable that you must focus on phase 1 and phase 2 in an integrated manner. But as we know that at this point of time, the time is very much limited. So it makes sense that while preparing for phase 2, we must know the important areas, the priority areas that we must not skip at any point of time. So we are going to talk about these areas that you should prepare on a priority basis, and rest of the topics that are there, what you can do if you are not able to cover those topics, you can cover them later on once you are done with the phase 2. Fine, and this is going to be the main agenda behind this video. But before we begin this video, here is an important announcement that PYQs play very important role as a part of the examination. They help you to understand the trend and pattern with respect to any competitive exam, including IRDI grade A. So what you can do, you can go to the description box, you can click over the link and you can download the previous year question that can help you with respect to this analysis. Now let us come back to the video and let us talk about those areas. And I hope you have full clarity that what is the agenda behind this video. We will talk about the important priority areas firstly with respect to insurance and management, and then after that we will talk about ESI impacting insurance too. Fine. Now when we talk about insurance management or ESI impacting insurance, trust me, one of the best ways to prepare for this subject is by aligning your preparation with respect to syllabus and PYQs. And syllabus is going to play very important role because I will show you the questions that are coming directly from the syllabus. We will see that. So please make sure that when you are doing preparation for any of these components, you must track the syllabus, you must track all the keywords mentioned in the syllabus one by one. But since we are talking about the priority areas as a part of this video, that is those important topics that you must cover, that you must not skip, we will focus upon that only. But as a part of the traditional preparation, we know that syllabus is going to play a very important role, and while discussing the PYQ, I will show you that how those topics were asked directly from the syllabus only. Now these are the priority areas as far as the subject insurance is concerned. Fine. So you must focus upon these topics and you must not skip these topics at any point of time. For example, the fundamental principles of insurance. You need to cover the different principles that are there with respect to insurance because questions in the PYQs have been framed from these areas. You must have clarity with respect to the different types of insurance that are there. For example, you must know what is life insurance, how life insurance is different from accidental insurance, and how it is different from the health insurance. So you must have that clarity because I will show you the example that how that questions have been asked by using this concept. Then you must know about the role of intermediaries, for example brokers, how they play important role in mobilizing savings and the development of bank insurance in India. You must have clarity with respect to these topics also. You must know the key functions of insurance providers, a very important area from where the questions have been asked in the PYQ. After that, you should know these concepts like reinsurance, co-insurance. Reinsurance is an area from where the questions have been asked multiple times. I will show you the PYQ very soon. Fine. So they have asked questions consistently from this topic of reinsurance. Then there are certain other concepts also. For example, insurance density, insurance penetration. You must prepare these areas because a direct question can be asked from them. Apart from that, they can provide you a comprehension passage also, the passage based questions, and the theme of this question can be related to these topics like insurance density, insurance penetration. Fine. So you must have full clarity regarding them. My suggestion is that you should try to prepare 1 to 2 page notes for each of these topics. Not only these topics but the other topics also that are mentioned in the syllabus, but these are the areas that you must not skip. So that should be your approach, that while covering for history of Indian insurance, एक दो पेज के नोट प्रिपेयर कर लो, प्रिंसिपल्स ऑफ इंश्योरेंस के लिए एक दो पेज के नोट्स प्रिपेयर कर लो. Similarly for these topics also, and how it will help that when the exam will be approaching, then you can eventually revise this 1 to 2 pages per topic in a very quick manner. Fine, it is going to help you with the revision also and will help you in organizing your content. That is of course going to help you with respect to retention too. Fine. So these are the priority areas. Now if you see the PYQs, So you can see over here, for example, these type of questions have been asked. They framed this question from the passage. Fine. So they gave you this passage, and from this passage they asked you this question, that what is the type of insurance person A is discussing. Now if you do not have clarity regarding the types of insurance, fine, so you won't be in a comfortable position to answer this question. Fine. So it is very important that you have a good grip over these important areas. Look at the next question. Compare the insurance discussed by person A with that mentioned by person B. So again, it is very important that you have clarity regarding the different types of insurance. You must cover them in a detailed manner, because other type of questions can also be asked from this area. Now look at other questions also. Discuss the role of insurance in mobilizing savings and facilitating financial intermediation. Now look at here. If you look at this question has directly been asked from the syllabus. Look at here. Intermediation role in mobilizing savings. So that is why I told you. Imagine if you had prepared 1 to 2 page note for this topic. Fine, 1 to 2 page note for this topic. It would have been so easy for you to answer this question. You just had to write it within 100 words. So that is why I told you that the syllabus shall be your primary priority. After that, rest of the things come. Then look at here. Discuss the key functions performed by insurance, focusing on product designs, claims management, investment and reinsurance, including relevant example. Straightforward question has been asked from the syllabus here too. So just see this D part. Functions performed by insurance: product design, pricing, distribution, underwriting, claims, investment and reinsurance. See, direct question has been asked from this part, and that is why imagine if you had prepared notes directly for this component of the syllabus, you could have answered this question in a very easy manner. Straightforward question. Now look at next question. What is reinsurance? Now by analyzing the PYQ, what you are able to understand, that reinsurance was asked in this year only, and next year again they have asked a question from reinsurance. It basically means that reinsurance is an important area. It is an important topic that you must cover as a part of your preparation. Fine. Rest of the topics should also be covered, but these are the important topics because students keep on asking us कि सर ऐसे कोई टॉपिक्स बता दो जो किसी भी हालत में छोड़ने नहीं है. तो कौन से टॉपिक ऐसे हैं जो टाइम कम बचे हम उसे प्रायोरिटी पे कवर करें. तो इस तरह से आप टॉपिक्स को फिल्टर आउट करते हो so that you are able to identify the important topics. Now look at the next thing. Discuss insurance penetration in India and compare India's growth with US and China for life insurance and non-life insurance penetration from 2013 and 15. Now this question I would say is a bit difficult. Fine, it is a bit tough, but look at the first part of the question. Fine, discuss the insurance penetration. So that is why I told you that such kind of areas are again shall be prepared on a priority basis. These are the areas that are related to insurance only. So you have to cover, if you are able to cover these topics in a comprehensive manner, automatically these areas will be covered. Then the role of brokers and the banks in insurance and as intermediaries. Fine. So again, I told you intermediaries is an important topic. Fine. You must know about the brokers, what type of role do they play, how they're linked to banks with respect to providing the facility of insurance. Then what is insurance density? Fine. What is insurable interest? What is co-insurance? Comment on co-insurance for risk management point of view. So these are the important areas through the analysis of PYQs that you must prepare on a priority basis. So you can see what is insurable interest. Again, insurable interest is something that is there as a part of your syllabus. So syllabus को सबसे पहले कवर करना है, उसके बाद ही सब कुछ आएगा, बाकी की चीजें बाद में आएंगी. और थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो उसको देखकर घबराना बिल्कुल नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर कोई क्वेश्चन आपके लिए डिफिकल्ट है तो बाकियों के लिए भी डिफिकल्ट होगा. जैसे ये पूछा हुआ है कि कंपेयर इंडियाज ग्रोथ विद यूएस एंड चाइना. थोड़ा मुश्किल क्वेश्चन है, बट थोड़ा सा अगर आपने पढ़ा है तो अगर आप यूएस एंड चाइना की बात भी ना करो, यू कैन राइट समथिंग दैट इज वेरी मच जनरलिस्टिक, बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू डोंट हैव नॉलेज देन यू विल हैव टू skip the question. But if you have some knowledge, you can write some content with respect to this topic. Fine. But rest of the question you can see are very much easy. They are directly linked to the syllabus only. Now moving forward, let us look at the management syllabus. Now management, I would say, should be a very, I would say, advantageous area for those people, for those students who are already preparing for exams like RBI Grade B or the SEBI Grade A, because the management is there, the part of that those examinations also. And if you look at the management of IRDAI Grade A, the syllabus is pretty much similar. Fine. So if you have covered for this examination, then this portion should be a cakewalk for you. Fine. But those students who are new to management, fine, they are studying it for the first time. Do not worry. It is a very theoretical subject. Your priority should be covering the syllabus at any point of time. And once the syllabus is done, trust me, you don't have to do any kind of update, any kind of value addition, all such sort of things. You just have to cover the syllabus, and after that you just have to revise it multiple times. Fine. So it is very much theoretical in nature. It is totally static in nature, and I would say a straightforward topic. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि कुछ in depth चीजें, in depth knowledge चाहिए समझने के लिए. It's not like that. Fine. So that is the idea. Now these are the priority areas. I contacted Jalad sir and he told me that these are the topics that I must refer you, that you must cover on a priority basis. That is motivation, communication, leadership, corporate governance and management processes. And if you look at the PYQs also, the questions are pretty much straightforward. See, what is leadership and explain various styles of leadership. Leadership is directly mentioned as a part of his syllabus. So they are asking you what is leadership and the type of leadership. A very basic question has been asked. Explain the process of effective decision making. Again, a straightforward question has been asked. Explain communication skills directly from the syllabus. Communication is a part of your syllabus. What is digital marketing? Now, the role of IT is there as a part of your syllabus, but I would say this is a type of question that is, unexpected type of question. And though the level of question is not very much difficult, but if you see the trend or PYQs as far as the IRDI grading is concerned, they keep on asking such type of questions that are a bit off track. Fine. So you need to be mentally prepared. You need to know that they can ask you such type of question like digital marketing, explain team building process. अब ये जो terms है syllabus में directly mention नहीं है, but ये अगर आप management का syllabus cover कर लेते हो तो इन question को answer करना ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं होगा आपके लिए. So that is why it is very important that you are covering the syllabus so that those questions that are asked off topic, you are able to handle them also. Fine. And do not get anxious if you are facing such question in the examination, because as I already told you, if a question is difficult for you, it is going to be challenging for others also. Fine. Now let us move on to the next part, which is ESI impacting insurance. So these are the priority areas. I discussed this with Kritika ma'am, and she suggested me these are the priority areas that you must cover and you must not skip as a part of your preparation. So for example, role of IRDI, the policies and initiatives. So whatever important initiatives have been taken by IRDI, whatever milestones have been touched by IRDI very recently, you must cover them. You must know the theme behind them. You must have the background knowledge, and you must have a way forward with respect to them. Fine. Then the IRDI annual report. This is very important because from this report, the questions are asked. Apart from that, this report is going to be extremely helpful for you in terms of value addition. Value addition, for example, data, different type of facts, different type of examples. So students keep on asking us that, sir, from where should we get this value addition content that should be totally authentic as well as latest. So over there you have this IRDI annual report. Fine, that is definitely going to help you. Then the contribution of the insurance sector to sustainable development. I would say this is an emerging area, and this is an important area because I would say a lot of questions are being asked in different competitive exam with respect to sustainable development and all. Last year also in RBI grade B they asked question with respect to sustainable development and environmental economic growth. Fine. So this topic becomes important. This can be considered as an important priority areas. Fine, with respect to the insurance sector. Then you need to cover the important schemes that are there. The important schemes like primarily with respect to insurance sector that are linked to the insurance sector, but you need to focus on other type of schemes also because they keep on asking about them. Fine. So if you talk about the previous year question, they ask questions with respect to Ayushman Bharat, which is again an insurance based scheme. Then Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, such type of scheme they keep on asking as a part of it. Then the role of insurance actuary, an important priority area. Then this area is also very important. Economic capital and risk based capital requirements. These are the areas that you must focus on a priority basis. Then let us see the details. For example, I told you that you must cover this area, which is role of IRDI, policy and initiatives. So you can see that in the PYQ they asked question with respect to Bima Sugam, which is an important IRDI initiative. So that was important, and in the future also you must keep these topics under consideration because they can ask as a part of the exam. Then you can see This was the question with respect to Bima Sugam, that Bima Sugam is an online marketplace. Explain in brief how customers will benefit from this marketplace. Fine. So you can see the highlighted portion over here, that the contribution of insurance sector to sustainable and responsible development of economy, then the functions of IRDI, then the role of IRDI policy and initiatives that must be covered. Then the schemes, important schemes that have been asked in the previous year questions, for example, Fasal Bima Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Yojana, then Atal Pension Yojana. Fine. And if you see the syllabus, in the syllabus, they have mentioned that you have to prepare the different type of schemes, the policy that have been launched by IRDAI. For example, they have mentioned very specifically Rashtriya Swasthya Bima Yojana, health insurance scheme. Fine. So it is very important. Fine. So such type of areas must be covered as a part of it on a priority basis. Then if you talk about IRDA annual report, it is very important because it helps you to cover various aspects. Straightforward questions are also asked. Apart from that, it is going to play very important role with respect to the value addition. Fine. So you must cover IRDA annual report as a part of it. Apart from that, as I told you, for example, the areas like insurance penetration, the areas like insurance investment in infrastructure sector. Fine. So these type of area, the changing insurance regulation and laws with respect to IRDI, that must be covered at any point of time. Then direct questions are asked from the syllabus also. For example, look at here, economic growth, business sector and insurance penetration, impact of age structure on economy. So if you see with the PYQ, in the PYQ they have asked the question from it, that impact of age structure on insurance industry, positive and negative impact of COVID-19 on insurance industry, that must be covered. Fine. So this A portion is very important. I would suggest you to cover it in a detailed manner because they keep on asking a lot of questions from this area. So that is it from my end. But before we end the session, here is an important announcement, that basically how IRDI can help you as how EduTap can help you with respect to your IRDI grade A preparation. So you just have to go to a website, and under the courses section you can click over here, IRDI grade A course, and just look at here. Fine. So over here you can see that we provide two types of courses. The first is gold and the second is silver. So the gold course basically it provides you the content with respect to phase 1 as well as for phase 2, whereas a silver course provides you content with respect to phase 2 only. So if you think that you are already comfortable with quant, reasoning, English and GA, so you can avoid gold course, you can go for silver course only. Fine. So you can see the price with respect to course is 7200. Fine. So you just have to apply this code EduTap and you will get flat 70% off as a part of it. And apart from that, if you want to see our demo content, fine, so you can click over here and you can see that what type of demo material that we provide. If it suits you, then you can purchase the course. Otherwise, if you think that if you're more comfortable with self-study, then you can go for that also, whatever suits you. Fine. So that is it from my end. So thank you so much and all the best, and keep preparing.